Hi, good morning. This is Mike. Welcome to Mikey's TV. And today I wanted to show you off this beautiful 97 Lamborghini Diablo replica. Now this car, let me just point it to you. This car is actually has a great history to it. It was built in Puerto Rico, as far as I know. I bought it from a lawyer up in upstate New York, who bought it from a guy in Puerto Rico. When he went down there, his brother worked with the senators down in Puerto Rico, and his son had it for sale or something like that. And he imported it to the States. It still had the Puerto Rican title to it. And it was kept like that for like 15 years in the guy's garage. He owned a few businesses, and it was always in his business shop, just to look at it as a piece of artwork. So after that, he had his mechanic go through the whole car, and he upgraded the engine. It went from a 4-cylinder. First of all, it's on a stretch Fiero frame, and it had an original 4-cylinder Fiero engine, I believe, on it. So the guy I bought it from had his mechanic go through and put in a Bonneville SS 3800 supercharger with custom tuning and custom bores and rods and all of this. Boosted up to about 350 horsepower plus is what I was told. And it has great power on a Borla exhaust. Sounds great. When I got it, I did a lot to it as far as upgrades as well to make it look more of the part. As you can see, it's very hard to tell. This is, I believe, it's a DNR body kit. Back in the day, they no longer exist. I think they got bought out by another company now. I forget what the name is, but the DNR kit is actually the one-to-one replica of the real Diablo. So it's the same dimensions, panels, and everything. Made out of fiberglass, all custom. As you can see, the interior, it's pretty damn good. So this is an automatic. It's not a 5-speed, but I had a custom gated shifter plate made for it. With the engine lid, you could see. We'll open this up. Look at that beautiful. There's an engine cover. So underneath there is the 3800 supercharged V6. So it's plenty of power. Has a backup camera. We installed that. The mirror has a backup mirror with a full camera, front facing. The gauges, I'm in the middle of upgrading to all the analogs because there's some digital gauges in there that shouldn't be in there. So I'll be converting that as well. We recently got the rims painted. It's no longer chrome. It's the centerpieces are silver like the original Diablo. So it definitely it's beautiful. It's a beautiful car. I love it. I don't know. I mean, it is for sale at a certain point, but if I don't, it's not a big rush for me. If I don't sell it, I'm just gonna keep it. And yeah, that's it, guys. Yes, thanks for stopping by.